Let's go to the forest. Think? I'll give you clues, and you guess the animal. I see something golden hiding in the grass. It has a big, fluffy mane. It's called the king of the jungle, and it roars like this. Roar! Yes, it's a lion. Great job. Shh! Something is walking very quietly. It's strong, fast, and it growls. Grrr. Yes, it's a tiger. You're amazing. What's that jumping in the trees? What's that jumping in the trees? It has a long tail and loves bananas. It says, ah! Yes, a monkey. So clever. The animal. It's brown, loves honey, and it growls softly. Grrr, but in a sleepy way. It sleeps a lot in winter too. That's right, it's a bear. You're doing great. Listen, something big is splashing in the water. It has a long trunk, big floppy ears, and it goes... Yes, it's an elephant, the biggest jungle friend. Wow, you guessed all the wild animals. Lion, panda, and elephant. Give yourself a big jungle cheer. Come back next time for more forest fun and animal friends. Bye-bye, little explorer. Bye.